Can you guess where we are today? No, it's not the North Pole. We're a little south of that. Welcome to the wonderland of America, the majestic land of glaciers and grizzlies. That's right, folks. We're exploring the best of Alaska today. Now, there's no better way to experience Alaska than by cruise. I mean, why to hike when you can glide, am I right? So, if you plan to take a gander at the glaciers, tune in because today we're talking about the top 5 cruise lines for an epic Alaskan journey. But before we start this incredible journey, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to explore amazing destinations worldwide. So without any further ado, let's start. Alaskan Adventure on Royal Princess. The best ship in this group is the Royal Princess. It is a big ship that likes good weather and Glacier Bay National Park. The Royal Princess can take you from Seattle to the peaceful Alaskan mountains. Since the ship can hold more than 3,600 people, you'll travel with a unique group. You can sail through the famous Inside Passage, a mess of rivers, bays, and green islands. We'll see this natural event twice because we're going in a circle. We're going to Juneau, Skagway, Ketchikan, and Victoria. Alaskan history, culture, and charm can be found everywhere. Glacier Bay National Park is great to see how strong and beautiful nature can be. There are more than just places in the Royal Princess. On board, there are many ways to have fun. Enjoy the plaza, different foods, and popular shows on the main stage and Princess Live. Adults can relax in the sanctuary or eat at one of the free or paid places. Use the Sea Walk, a 60-foot glass deck that sticks out 28 feet from the ship's side and gives you great ocean views. Princess Cruises' Medallion-class technology makes your trip special and easy. Majestic Princess and the Discovery Princess will go to Alaska from Anchorage, Whittier, or Vancouver. The Majestic Princess goes out to sea. Discovery Princess will sail in a loop from Seattle, stopping at Endicott Arms and Dawes Glacier on the way to Glacier Bay, College Fjord, or Hubbard Glacier. Alaskan Cruise Adventure on Carnival Luminosa. The Carnival Luminosa is ready to be Alaska's new shining star. You'll start an amazing trip in Seattle. The Carnival Luminosa can take you to and from Alaska on a 7-night trip. This 93K gross ton ship can hold up to 2,800 people, making it a great place to hang out with friends and relax. Juneau, Skagway, and Ketchikan will be our next stops. You can learn about Alaskan history and culture in each town. We will sail through Tracy Arm Fjord and spend a magical night in Victoria, British Columbia. At Carnival Luminosa, you can have fun and take it easy. She mixes songs from the Spirit class and the Vista class that are popular at carnivals. You can drink at the Piano Bar 88, the Red Frog Rum Bar, or the Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse. Need to smile? At the Punchliner Comedy Club, the comedy is very funny. The Cloud9 Spa and the Serenity area for adults are great additions to the family-friendly events on the Carnival Luminosa. This ship is fun and calm at the same time. Carnival Luminosa is unique. She has a sky cover that can be moved over the pool deck so you can swim even when the weather in Alaska is bad. Take advantage of the Sunset Bar's view of the sunset, or Botero's bronze sculpture in the lobby. Carnival Luminosa isn't alone in 2023. The Carnival Spirit's 7-day round trip will meet her in Seattle. Carnival Miracle will also take 10-day trips to Alaska from San Francisco, where she will spend the summer. Are you ready to go on an adventure? Join Carnival Luminosa for an unforgettable trip to Alaska. Alaskan Odyssey on Norwegian Encore. The Norwegian Encore will take you on your dream trip to Alaska. You get on the big Norwegian Encore in Seattle. This ship is like a city on the water, and it can take up to 4,000 people to Alaska. Alaska's best places to visit are Juneau, Skagway, Ketchikan, and Victoria, BC. Alaska has a lot of different things to offer in each place. There are some beautiful views in Glacier Bay National Park. There will be many animals and mountains to see. How do ships come to a stop? Before you leave, you should go to Fairbanks, Denali, and Anchorage. The beautiful peaks of Denali and the lively culture of Anchorage will remind you of this long trip to Alaska. On the Norwegian Encore, there are lots of fun things to do. Enjoy thrilling water slides, 2 pools, a waterfront walkway, a racetrack, laser tag, and the modern Galaxy Pavilion virtual reality complex. The Norwegian Encore is a great ship for families with kids, teens, and adults. The local and observation lounges are where you can see the most noticeable changes on the Norwegian Encore. At Onda by Scarpetta, you can get food from Italy. Kinky Boots is no longer open, but NCL still has the best clubs, restaurants, and freestyle dining. Norwegian Encore will remain the same. Her sister ship, the Norwegian Bliss, will take 7-day trips to Icy Strait Point and Sitka in Alaska. Are you looking forward to seeing the Northern Lights, Alaska's beautiful animals, and the state's past? You can go to Alaska on the Norwegian Encore. Alaskan Voyage on Ovation of the Seas. The Ovation of the Seas is Alaska's largest and most advanced cruise. This cruise ship has a lot of exciting things to do, different kinds of food, and world-class entertainment, which makes it one of the best Alaskan trips. Your trip to Alaska starts in Seattle. Over 4,100 people set sail on the almost 169K-ton Ovation of the Seas. Explore Alaska's most well-known towns, such as Sitka, Skagway, Juneau, and Victoria. Each place gets a different look at how people live in Alaska. On our beautiful trip, you can see the beautiful Endicott Arm. Everyone can have fun on Ovation of the Seas. Enjoy the ship's Seaplex, a huge indoor complex with bumper cars and roller skating, and the North Star, a 300-foot-high overhead lift with amazing views of Alaska. Adventure seekers can try out a flying simulator. Both 270 and the Music Hall offer unique ways to have fun. Live shows and displays that people can interact with keep everyone amused. There are many restaurants and bars on Ovation of the Seas. In that order, Chops Grill, Izumi, and Windjammer serve steaks, Japanese, and world food. After dinner, you can drink at the Schooner Bar or an English bar, relax in the indoor solarium, outdoor pool, or whirlpools while enjoying Alaska's beautiful scenery. You can take a once-in-a-lifetime trip to Alaska on the Ovation of the Seas. Alaska Adventure with Holland, America's Koningsdam. Holland America line will travel the cold blue seas with 6 powerful ships, including the Koningsdam. Since 2016, this Pinnacle-class ship has taken 2,650 people to their destinations in comfort. You can take a round-trip trip from Vancouver to Alaska's beautiful wildness. Over 7 days, you can see the beauty of Alaska by going to Juneau, Skagway, and Ketchikan. Koningsdam is a great place to see Glacier Bay National Park. The Koningsdam is a luxury ship that stops at exciting places on land. Food from the Pacific Northwest is served at the Pinnacle Grill, and other places serve Italian, Asian, and French food. Entertainment is abundant. Enjoy music at the world stage, dance at B.B. King's Blues Club, and see great acts at Billboard Onboard and Lincoln Center Stage. Koningsdam offers 9 14-day land trip packages. These trips from Vancouver to Anchorage include trips to the Yukon and Denali. With live shows and movies, BBC Earth Experiences gets you closer to nature. Live cooking shows will make your mouth water. Koningsdam is more than a ship. It's a small haven that brings Alaska to you. And that wraps up our journey through the best Alaska cruise lines. From the majestic Royal Princess to the shining star Carnival Luminosa, the adventurous Norwegian Encore, the advanced Ovation of the Seas, and the luxurious Koningsdam, these cruise lines offer unforgettable experiences in the stunning Alaskan wilderness. Whether you're marveling at the glaciers, exploring the charming towns, or immersing yourself in the rich culture and history, Alaska has something for everyone. So, if you're ready for an epic adventure, plan your Alaskan cruise today and create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing your favorite Alaskan destination, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy cruising.